dear students. Welcome to my new lesson. Today's topic is cities. Today, you will spell most high-frequency words, name at least 5 places in the city, say simple sentences about capital cities, understand most information, communicate your opinion, and ask and answer specific questions. Please look at the first picture. Can you name this city? Do you recognize it? Yes, you are right. It's the main city of our country. It's the capital of Kazakhstan. By the way, what do you know about this city? What can you say about our capital? Next. You are right. It's the capital of Great Britain. It's London. What do you know about London? Have you ever been to London? What sightseeing do you know? Next, do you recognize this city? It's Paris. It's the capital of France. And this city? It's Rome. It's the capital of Italy. Excellent. One more city. It's Washington. It's the capital of the United States of America. Now, please answer these questions. What places are there in the city? And where can you go to in the city? You have time to answer. One of the places where you can go to in the city is the cinema. Next, bakery, laundrette, zoo, airport. Excellent. Now, match the words with their definitions. The words are bakery, cinema, zoo, and laundrette. The first definition, a building where you go to watch a film. Of course, it's cinema. Next, a place where many kinds of wild animals are kept for the public to see and where they are studied and protected. Did you already guess? Yes, it's zoo. Next, a place where you can wash and dry your clothes in machines that you paid to use. Of course, it's laundrette. D, a place where bread and cakes are made and or sold. It's bakery. All the translations, all the definitions are taken from Oxford Learners' Dictionaries. Now, let's play a game. You will have to explain a word. For example, here the word is a cat, but you can't use these 3 keywords, an animal, milk, and kitten. So, how can you explain it? You can say, it is afraid of dogs, or it usually doesn't get along with dogs. It catches mice. So is it clear? Now it's your turn. The first word is cinema. And you can't use these words, watch, film, and movie. You can pause the video and think. My possible answer is, usually you go there with your friends and or family, and you eat popcorn there. It's a place where there is a big screen on the wall. What about your suggestions? Next, bakery. The taboo words are bake, bread, and cakes. Again, you can pause the video and think. Possible answer. It is a place where you go To buy something that you eat every day. Excellent. Now your homework. Please write 6 sentences with the new words. And now think, what did you learn today? What did you like and why? What didn't you like and why? And what are your suggestions? Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.